Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question how you can cancel automatic payments on PayPal. And this is something which I highly recommend to check every now and then, because there are a lot of companies which are trying to go into the automatic payments of your PayPal. Even when you're doing just a one-time payment, then there's probably some check mark or so which is by default on, which is saying that you want to allow them to go into automatic payments. That's pretty crazy. If you need to know how to go there, then that's paypal.com/myaccount/autopay. It's very difficult to find. It's not in any of these tabs here. You really have to go to the settings and then go down and click, and at some point you can find it, but it's much easier with this link here. And now on the left side you can check the active and the inactive ones. You can see I have already deleted two of them where I don't really have a subscription, or I have cancelled already the subscription. That's also something which is important to know. If you subscribe somewhere on a website or so and you cancel the subscription, this entry here in the PayPal will still be here. So it's very important to cancel that. Go to show active, then you can click on something and then you click on cancel automatic payments. You're good to go and done. And then it's on the other side, and then you can go to the remaining stuff and do same thing. So this is something which I highly recommend. I think a lot of people are not aware of that. They have a lot of entries here, and this could be pretty scary. Of course, if you have an active subscription and it's needed, then it's needed. Sometimes it's also a little bit difficult to find out what is what. When I go to the show inactive, I can show you a sample here. That's the Lago Sec Incorporated. I guess nobody knows what that is, but the company's service everybody knows, or at least a lot of people, because it's the NordVPN. Yeah, that's my NordVPN subscription, but it doesn't say NordVPN, it says Lago Sec Inc. That's a little bit weird. So sometimes you really need to find out what's behind before you cancel something which is still active actually. By the way, the cool thing is this is also a last resort option to cancel a subscription. I had it already that a website service didn't allow me to cancel. I went into my profile, tried to find something, couldn't find any way to cancel my subscription, contacted them by email, didn't get any reply from the support, and I was already close to the renewal. So what I did, I also went here, clicked on that and cancelled it. And so when they tried to claim the money, it was not possible because the claim was then rejected automatically by PayPal. That's also something and highly recommended. So if you have the choice between normal credit card and PayPal, then I highly recommend to use the PayPal because of this super easy way to cancel automatic payments. Yeah, so that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.